Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, Sam Mowers here, back with another episode of Crypto Corner. For news today, China's state media praises Bitcoin, Bakkt has launched an institutional custody service, Singapore's central bank has developed a blockchain-based prototype for multi-currency payments with JP Morgan, and Tencent has acquired a Hong Kong license for a virtual bank. So Chinese state-run media outlet Xinhua Daily today published an article about Bitcoin lauding the cryptocurrency as the first successful application of blockchain technology. This, coupled with Chinese President Xi Jinping's recent endorsement of blockchain technology, represents a considerable development from the country's blanket ban on crypto exchanges and ICOs just 2 years ago. The article itself is mostly devoted to explaining how Bitcoin and blockchain works, but warns of crypto's price fluctuations and that, quote, currently, the most important uses of Bitcoin payments are black market transactions and darknet transactions, end quote. Bakkt, the crypto-focused subsidiary of Intercontinental Exchange, which is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol ICE, or ICE, announced an institutional custody service via blog post today. Until now, the Bakkt warehouse only provided custody services for clients trading Bakkt Bitcoin futures contracts. Institutional clients that have already signed on include Pantera Capital, Tagomi, and Galaxy Digital, which is traded on the TSXV under the ticker symbol GLXY. Bakkt COO Adam White wrote, quote, "At Bakkt, we're committed to expanding access to the global economy by building trust in and unlocking the value of digital assets. The secure custody of digital assets is the foundation of that mission and our solutions for customers. Whether it's creating the first regulated market for the price discovery of Bitcoin, or developing platforms that allow merchants and consumers to seamlessly interact using digital assets, custody is at the core of everything we do," end quote. The press release today reveals that the Monetary Authority of Singapore, or MAS, has developed a blockchain-based prototype for multi-currency payments in collaboration with JP Morgan, which is traded on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol JPM, and Temasek. According to the press release, the development marks the latest milestone for Project Ubin, which is into its fifth phase. Project Ubin is described as a collaborative project with the industry to explore the use of blockchain and distributed ledger technology for clearing and settlement of payments and securities. John Hunter, the global head of Clearing and Interbank Information Network of JP Morgan, said, quote, "JP Morgan is excited to be an infrastructure partner of MAS and Temasek for Phase 5 of Project Ubin. By leveraging our key learnings from building the Interbank Information Network and the JPM coin, JP Morgan is well positioned to support the development of a blockchain-based payments network and operate at scale," end quote. And Chinese internet giant Tencent, which is traded on the OTC under the ticker symbol TCEHY, has acquired a Hong Kong license to develop a blockchain-based virtual bank, according to a report today from Sina Finance. This was revealed on November 8th at the World Blockchain Conference held in Wuzhen by Kai Weiga, the general manager of the blockchain business in Tencent. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.